All right, Nigel. So go ahead and open up. Is this the first project review you're doing?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna open it up too. So you're on project review one training?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna open up mine. Okay, so is this where you're at?
Yes.
Okay, so this menu here on the left-hand side, this is the order that you have to complete your slides, okay? So,
Uh-huh.
and this isn't like the skills review. You cannot skip back and forth between questions. You have to go in order of the questions. You can't go back, okay? So you have to be very, very careful when you do the questions and precise. Okay, so when you click on these, it's like a, opening the menu and closing the menu. So it's like a toggle button. So if you click instructions once, you'll get instructions. If you click it again, it'll close. If you click taking your company green, it opens. Click it again, it closes. Do you see how that works?
Yeah, and I have two check marks next to it. I must have did them already.
Oh, so you did taking your company green, size and slide masters?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means you did those. Well, then you do know how to do it.
Oh.
Okay, so if you did those already, close it and go to slide 2.
Also, they all in different. Oh.
Yeah. So now I'm going to click on insert slide. And then you're going to click the question mark. That will get you the instructions underneath in that gray box.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So then it says in the insert tab. So make sure your cursor is on slide 1. And then it says in the insert tab, in the slides group, which is right here, click new slide.
Wait, I'm not getting it. Wait. In the view, wait a minute. Insert. Wait, I got something different.
You shouldn't. Are you on slide 2?
Yeah. Well, I have in the view tab, go to master slide groups.
Well, then you're not on slide 2. You're on this, Slide Masters. And which one are you on? I'm not sure which one you're on. Are you on Slide Masters or are you on Insert Slide?
Now I'm on a back to taking your company green.
Okay, well, okay, so you said you had a check mark, so that would mean that you have it done. So, all right, so you finished the size one and now you're on Slide Masters?
That's where I'm at. Slide masters. Add a date
Okay.
to the footer.
Okay, so now click on the question mark up at the top so you have instructions below. There's 3 sets of instructions you have to follow each one. Okay? There's 3 parts to this question. So do you see where I'm scrolling?
In the view tab, master.
Right. So you're going to do that one, then you're going to keep going and you're going to do this one, and then you're going to keep going and you're going to do this one.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
most of them don't have that. This is a really long question. I don't know why they didn't split it up, but most of them aren't like this. Most of them just have like one part that you have to do, but for some reason they put this all together. Okay. All right, so you're sure you did the size one?
Yeah, I did the size and then I did the slide, but I was just trying to go to slide 2 and
Well,
I
no,
was getting a
you're not
different.
on slide 2 yet, right? Because you haven't done this, right?
I have a check mark next. I got a check mark next to it.
Why? I mean, I don't know. You're the one who has to put the check mark in, so I don't know. I mean, you could go back and try to redo it just to make sure. I would do that if you're not sure. I don't know what you're left off with. Because then when you're done with this one, all you have to do is click this arrow here and it brings you to the next question. So then it would open up slide 2. But
Okay,
if you don't think you did it, if you think you did it, you can go on to slide 2. If you don't think you did it, you need to stay here and finish it. Okay?
okay, we can go to slide 2.
So you did this and you selected the WISP slide master. You know what that is? You did all this?
Uh-huh.
You did all
Yeah.
3 parts of it.
Uh-huh.
Because if you didn't, you're going to get everything wrong underneath this. Because everything builds upon what you did previously. So you're
I
sure?
see. Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. All right. So let's go to 2. Okay. And then you're going to go to insert slides. And then you're going to click the question mark. So now see, this only has one section that you have to do. Okay. So it says in the insert tab, go to the slides group, click the drop down, and click on slides from outline, which is way down below here. Okay. And then you're going to go to your geometrics template. So you have to find that. I think it should, I'm not sure where your geometrics template is. Oh, here we go. Nope, that's not it. Documents. Okay, I probably have mine set up differently. Did you find your geometrics templates?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So did you find the one that says why go green?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so click on that and then choose insert.
I did that.
Okay. So what you can do then is you can go ahead and check your box and then hit the arrow, and then it brings you to the next one, which is bullets.
Okay, so so the box each slide has its own little separate category that you have to do.
Right. So then if once you finish 2, then it brings you to 3, and then you have 5 things you have to do. And then once you finish 3, you go to 4, and then it has 2 things you have to do. And so on until you get to the final steps. Once you're done, you hit grade. But if you're not done and you just want to save the test, you click the little hamburger button down here and hit save project.
I see now.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Artist.
Yeah, no problem. And then if you have any other questions, just send me an email and I can help you do that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so stop.